Welcome to our last, and I hope so, we'll try to fit it in a one tutorial block at the end for now. So we will need to create here one more close-up. We'll need to create 4 videos to finish this simple and interesting architecture block. As you remember, we are creating a cool video. So yeah, we will now create transition between winter day and our kids to make some more interesting content to our final result. So I'm selecting my video and I'm simply trying to understand what exactly I want to do. So it was a snowy day, now it's a shiny day, shiny winter day. I'm simply selecting my prompt and clicking Ctrl-A, Ctrl-C. Please do it, just download my file for free and test it. Now I'm selecting my kids. I'm selecting my kids. I'm selecting a new node. It will be a Kling 01 video creator, Kling 01, 5 seconds, and connecting my beautiful day render. So simply changing the prompt. What do I have here? Also the same construction. Yeah, I will not even check this. Now we're describing a little bit more. Yeah, here. Transition feels like natural spiral reveal. Okay, without changing the building architecture proportions. That's okay, quite typical. Winter codes. Okay, materials, everything is okay. Cars drying slowly. So yeah, we can simply use it. As I promised you in one of the tutorials, you'll see information how you can discuss more difficult prompts with AI machines like Gemini, OpenAI, DeepSeek, and other. So yeah, I'm clicking make, and let's give it as always few tries. So I'm showing you that the results are quite predictable. They are quite similar, and you can use simply the same. Also, I'd like to remind you that at this moment I'm using Kling 01, but it doesn't mean that in 1 month or 2 months you cannot use any other engine. Like, feel free to test it, feel free to try it. And remember that AI, it's a revolutionized technology, and it's evolving very fast. So time to time, check our updates, check our emails. We'll inform you about the new technologies, the new AI engines, and what's on the top now. Simply also check our information about like our text here. So quality, last frame, sound quality, like we will give you some advices, but yeah, also check our emails, check our content, and yeah, we will always be on the top. Now we are creating an interesting effect between cloudy, moody weather with the fog and our and our day render. The same, it will be this type of the result, so nothing changes at all, just appearing a cool fog effect. And we are just simply checking our prompt, Ctrl-C, enlarge. Now I am creating the same, I am creating an interesting effect between our frames. So the effect will be between, I don't know what was here the result, yeah, like more artistic. I think we'll use this image, it's artistic, very artistic. Yeah, as you see, we have some gentle parts of a fog. And let's do it again. Selecting with left mouse click my reference. Now I have video creator, Kling 01, connecting my second frame and simply prompting Ctrl-B. And you can just check it's the same, the same construction, but here I am putting more details like about what exactly I want to show. Winter, gently snowfall, snow resisting on the rooftops, balconies, gradually venting fades, snowfall, okay, slowly melts, okay, and environment transition into a cold, glowing through the fog. Okay, wild birds appear, fly across the sky, adding subtle live motion. The building architecture, proportions, materials, and framing remain completely unchanged through the shot. Maintain realistic light, smooth weather, transition over the time, natural motion with high temporal consistency. Okay, cinematic realism, that's okay, like quite typical prompt. I'll also be happy to explain you more. You can check our prompting tutorials, how it is made. Generally, in a few words, it's very simple. Like you're just trying to explain it in 3-5 words, what you want to create. Then you just ask OpenAI, NanoBanana, or you can ask OpenAI, DeepSeek, or other engines like chat engines, and they will give you advice how you can build this prompt. And as I mentioned, just check our prompting tutorials, it will help you a lot. So those promptings are not so difficult, are not so problematic as you think. They're looking just maybe too scary at this moment, but like no worries at all. It's very easy. So what do we have here? We had to make a transition between a day winter and those kids to make interesting, consistent. When we had here the winter, cloudy winter to kids, now we have kids to clear day render. So yeah, let's check the best result. Very good. Very good. I don't think that I I need to check other, but of course I will do it for you. Very good. Yeah, as you see, it's a second try and it's completely the same. Like, it's insane how good AI is now. Also here, very similar. Very similar. I don't know, maybe it's even the winner. But yeah, let's check the details. Yeah, the details are okay. Yeah, I think the third one is the winner. I don't see any glitches at all. So I am simply selecting Kling on two versions 1 and 2 and clicking delete on my keyboard. And now I have new animation made. While we're waiting, let's select the next frame. So what we will do in the next frame, we wanted to connect our close-up. And to create this close-up, of course, we will need to create some close-up. It's obvious. Let's create it. For that, I'm using I'm using my source image. Okay, let's select my source image. Let's use my prompt. It's a standard prompt for our presets. You're changing simply engine to image creation, NanoBanana Pro 2K original, and simply hitting make a few times, maybe 4 times, to create one more close-up. So the idea is to jump between, huge architecture and small architecture details, to show your customer, to show your boss, to show your professor, like show a little bit more about the idea. Like, the architectural details and close-ups are extremely important when you try to explain the context. Yeah, and let's check the details. We are trying now here to create transition between winter and foggy render. And it's extremely good. It's one of the best results I have received for today, and it's very good, really. Just try it, download the VizMaker for free, test it, download this project and copy and steal my prompts. It's very good. Like, I'm very happy with the result. And let's see the consistability. Is it the same on the second test? Yeah, very good. Very good. Like, nothing to add. Like, they are very similar. Those tests are like very, very clean, and they're showing you that the AI will, I don't have even what to say. Like, you have extremely good results, impossible in any other rendering engines. I'll select the first renders. I'll delete those, and let's select the last but not least close-up. Okay, architectural details, some coffee. Okay. This one looks interesting. I will not remove other one, but I'll use this one as a main reference because it's quite interesting colors here. So yeah, let's check the prompt we used. What we will do now, we received this result when we had transition between those two images. Now we'll have transition between this foggy day and this interesting close-up. So I'm simply copy pasting it, and I will create transition. So as always, very simple, selecting my fog. Sorry, the wrong prompt. I need to select, of course, the Kling. Yeah, selecting my Kling video, Control C, Control A, Control C. Now I'm selecting my cloudy option, slowly moving it here. Of course, I should change my render mode to video creator. Now I'm changing it to Kling 01 and simply selecting 5 seconds, and here I need to add extra information. Control V, and let's check fastly what do we have here. Smooth camera move, pushes backward, okay. Close up to the balcony, okay. Yeah, it's a balcony. Let's name it as a balcony. The same begins a calm, cool atmosphere, mist, okay. Camera advances, weather subtly evolves, strong fall evolves, okay. Clouds move gently. Okay, just as I mentioned, download the file, it's for free, and steal my prompt. It will be the fastest possible way. And check our other tutorials. We will explain a little bit more about prompting. Oh, sorry, I forgot to connect my Kling second image. That's quite typical for me. Selecting my second image. Simply hitting Ctrl V and making make. Yeah, as always, I'm giving a few tries to our AI engines. to be fair with them. Of course, everybody needs, you know, a few tries. So yeah, try it. Feel free to download it for free and we will make more tutorials. And let's create, yeah, I'll move those close-ups maybe somewhere here, do not make a mess. And let's create our last but not least animation. It will be frame changes between, you know, this cloudy day, it's cloudy, windy day from the close-up. So yeah, I'm selecting my prompt, clicking Ctrl-A, Ctrl-C on my keyboard, clicking the large button. Now I'm simply moving on the left side of the project and I'm selecting this image as the first one. Of course, I have video creator. Of course, I have Kling 01, 5 seconds, and now I'm creating a windy day. We can connect any image you wish, but for example, yeah, maybe we can connect something else. Maybe we'll do this one, like more dusty option. Let's try it and simply paste my prompt. But now we need to check it, of course, because I'm using another image. Create a single cinematic shot, of course, it's a standard wooden table. A cozy balcony scene with a small wooden. Okay, now we need to change this part here because we have another close-up. Okay. Just simply removing it. Cozy balcony scene. Okay, it will understand that I'm showing you a cozy balcony scene. It's surrounding, animate the weather realistically, light rain begins, cloud moves dynamically across the sky, reflection, maybe not light rain, but light sandstorm. Yeah, because we have a sandy storm option. Sandstorm. Okay, reflection appears. Reflection appears, wet surfaces. Yeah, so we'll remove this part about reflections. It's not needed. Okay. Okay, this also not needed because we don't have anything to splash, so I'm removing it. Okay, subtle movement, leaves gently blow the wind. Maybe without gently, it's just blown by the wind. Okay, maintain realism, artist light, natural colors, high temperature consistency, don't change the building architecture. Okay, I'm happy with the current prompt. Simply hitting make, and let's check the result because it's quite surprising for me. I was not testing at all. It's a real life test. How you can, you know, change your ideas, change your mind, change your, you know, concept during the creation. It's quite interesting. So I'll give a few tests. Okay, connecting it. Sorry, wrong prompt. Again. We'll need to wait a while, so I'll create a new one. Yeah, I'll need to wait a second because it's generating. Sorry, I used the wrong prompt. Yeah, while we are waiting, let's select our current transition between foggy day and close-ups. Very good. Like very good. I have nothing to add. Like it's exactly what I was expecting from the AI. So we have some car, we have some movement. Maybe it's too dynamic, but as always, please remember that the goal and the main idea is to use those parts of videos to time lapse and compress them. Okay, this transition is most problematic for me. It's too fast. So yeah, as you see, yeah, it's too fast. It's glitching a lot between third and fourth second, but the first one is okay. But as I mentioned, results are very good and they're very similar. So no worries. You can just make a few tests as I shown. And we have the result. So we made our huge tree and now we are ready. We made this cool project. It's a little bit interesting and time consuming because you're doing it first time. I need to explain you each step, but generally, you know, in my team, we're doing it very fast. So when you know how, when you know the tools, everything will work fast. Let's wait for the similar shot here while we're waiting. And yeah, let's just try it, really. Just try, just play around with VizMaker, with NanoBanana, with Kling, with other engines. And of course, in next tutorials, we'll discuss engine selection. We'll discuss about, you'll find information about, in tutorials, some information about prompting. And of course, we'll discuss new topics, and feel free to send this to your friends, to show it to other colleagues. It's completely free. It's completely interesting tutorials as a part of our VizMaker community and Viz Academy company. Yeah, and let's wait a while for a Kling 01 result to show how cool transition can be for the last frame between close up and sandy storm. And let's wait a second. And here we are. So what is the result? I am checking it with you. I had I wasn't checking it before, so it will be a real test. So I'm happy. Just simply left mouse of the click enlarge, and wait a while it's like uploading. Yeah, good result. Very good result. Maybe I should generally add next time more about how this sandy storm appears, because now it's obvious transition. But generally, yeah, that's okay. It's only one test, one try, and I'm happy with the result. So thank you so much for your attention. I'm very happy to show you this, and I hope you like this. So please remember that on the left side you can find exactly the same stuff I'm showing you, and on the right side it was a project created by Adriana from our team. So this was more advanced and this was more about time. This was more about, you know, researching and testing. And here we had the real life test, what I wanted to show you during our tutorial blog. So thanks for your attention. Please download the file, send it to your friends. It's completely free, and test it in the VizMaker. So see you soon in the next tutorials.